We are pleased to show you the 2016 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, roll stability control, inside you'll find rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, sync, satellite communications, multifunction display, gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.